Revival, revival, revival. I must possess my possession 2023. Nehemiah chapter 9 verse 25. Hand of God Church of All Nation, Joje, Volta Region, Ghana presents 9th year anniversary revival program with the theme I must possess my possession with your host Apostle Victor Hounkpati. Date Thursday 28th September through Sunday 1st October 2023. Time 8 a.m. daily. Thursday 28th and Friday 29th September 2023. Time 8 a.m. There will be mountain prayer at the prayer mountain with the man of God Apostle Victor Hounkpati and a distribution of a blessed fruit. Saturday 30th September 2023. Time 8 a.m. There will be impartation and releasing of greater grace upon businessmen and women and all the sons and daughters of the man of God Apostle Victor Hounkpati. Sunday 1st October 2023. The grand finale. It will be a prophetic service and a distribution of supernatural key. The key is free. Venue at the Church Auditorium, Hand of God Church of All Nation, Joje, Volta Region, Ghana. For more information and inquiry, please call or WhatsApp +233 244 151 563 or +233 244 646 994 or +233 507 223 727. This is the 9th month of the 9th year anniversary program. God is giving you a 9 blessing this season. Come and your life will never remain the same again. Be there.